According to a study by Tidal Max, 6 out of the 10 surveyed Americans believe that they can become a millionaire if they're willing to work hard. This means that 60% of the people think that they can become a millionaire, but this is far from the truth. Only 6% of the Americans are millionaires. And of that 6% millionaires, how many do you think is self-made versus inherited? 88% of the millionaires are self-made. This means that they made their own success through their own efforts, without money, education, nor high social status. This equates to 17.8 million Americans are self-made millionaires. And these millionaires are just your average folks like you and I, according to the book Millionaire Next Door. So the point is that it is totally possible to become a self-made millionaire. Now the question is, do you have what it takes to become a millionaire? As Jim Rohn has said, everyone should have the goal to become a millionaire, because becoming a millionaire not for the $1 million, but for what it will make of you to achieve it. This means you would have to become a different person in order to be a millionaire. So, are you ready to transform yourself to become a millionaire? Watch this video until the end to find out the step-by-step strategies that you can change and implement to become a millionaire. Hi, I'm Amy. Welcome to my channel where my goal is to help you reach financial success. Subscribe if you want more videos like this and follow along on my $1 million journey. Strategy number 1, mindset. Have you heard of the saying, you have to think rich to become rich? Success is a mindset. Essentially, your mindset determines everything. If you don't develop that mindset, you'll be spinning your wheels, working just as hard, but never going anywhere. So, first step, focus on what you want and visualize your success. The more you keep your goal at the top of your mind, the more your subconscious mind will work to reach those goals. That's why writing down your goals every day, visualizing your intended outcome, and regularly saying positive affirmations is so important. Doing these things truly does help your subconscious mind on what's important to you. For example, boxing legend Muhammad Ali was always stressing the importance of seeing himself victorious long before the actual fight. Or as a struggling young actor, Jim Carrey used to picture himself being the greatest actor in the world. Or Michael Jordan always took the last shot in his mind before he ever took one in real life. When you think of a big goal or a dream that you want to achieve, it's natural to think of all the obstacles that will come in your way. The problem is, far too often, we allow these obstacles to become so big in our mind that it inhibits us from moving forward. And this is why so many of us are satisfied with mediocrity. So, envision yourself being victorious like Ali, picture yourself as the greatest actor like Carrey, and visualize your next shot as the winning shot like MJ. The truth is, if you can picture achieving your goal, chances are you won't. The more vivid you can get, the better it will work for you. So start thinking of your big goals in life, then spend 10 to 15 minutes picturing yourself achieving each one. Get as detailed as possible. Picture what you will do once you have reached your goal. How amazing does that feel? How will this change your life? Remember, these little details increases the likelihood of you achieving your goal. You don't need to spend endless hours. Simply get in the habit of putting together a positive vision into your everyday life. Visualize yourself succeeding, achieving every goal, completing every task. See what it does for you and how it makes you feel. This will become a vital part of your success. On top of that, this will make you become laser focused and really stop caring about what other people think of you. This is your life. Go after your dream. Strategy number 2, educate yourself. Spend time and money on developing new skill sets. Ideally, high-income skill sets like copywriting, coaching, marketing, or sales. You can learn them relatively quickly, and they are transferable across many fields. Learn as much as you can about businesses, marketing and sales, and money management. Invest in yourself, invest in your knowledge, because knowledge is power. For example, Dan Lok, he invested in himself by learning how to copyright, then became really good at copywriting for clients. After that, he started his business in selling his copywriting course. I don't know how legit his copywriting course is because I've never taken it for myself. But all I can say is that he's very motivational in terms of getting you pumped about starting a business, starting copywriting, and achieving great success. I guess that is the power of copywriting. He really persuades you that it is possible. Nowadays, so many people spend so much time entertaining themselves instead of educating themselves. Time is valuable. It is the only thing that you can't get back. So stop wasting time on social media. Those people you look at every day don't know that you exist. So why invest your time on looking at the way they live their lives? Instead, invest in yourself, read lots of books, watch lots of videos online. Basically, do whatever you can to educate yourself. Learn what you need to know and apply. You can create the life you want. Strategy number 3, create and build. Once you have the knowledge and skill sets, you need to be a creator to create products or services. Think about how you can provide value to your clients. It can be educational, entertainment, or a solution to a problem. So first, figure out who you are serving. Who are your potential clients? Who are your dream customers? Find that niche. Really take the time to figure out all about your dream customers. Who are they? What do they really want? What are their deepest desires? And what are their pains? Focus on the psychographics, like what they think, feel, and want, not demographics, although it may be important, such as their age, their gender, or income levels. The more you understand who you serve, then you can create products or services targeted for them. Next, focus on creating values to your clients. How are you helping them address their problems, their pains? And really step up your services. Be the best. Over-deliver your values to them. Create an irresistible offer that they cannot say no to. Ask yourself, how can you offer more value that allows the customer to use the product easier? Take time to look at your competition. Do market research. What are they offering? Then create an offer that makes you unique in the market, something your competitors are not doing. It doesn't always have to be more stuff. It can also be a pricing offer like try before you buy or a free trial. And then start making the sales. Continue the process of providing great values to your clients, get their feedback, improve, and revise, and keep going at it. Grow your business, build a brand, then create a system. This is definitely not easy. You will need to put tremendous amount of effort. It will require lots of hard work, commitment, discipline, and consistency. But you just gotta keep churning at it. You will likely fail many times before you succeed, but with each failure, know that you are making progress. You are learning lots, getting feedback, and you're transforming the way you think and how you run your business. The point is that with all these attempts after attempts, you are only getting better and better. And remember to stay laser focused on your goal. And don't forget to visualize your success. Believe in yourself. Believe in your mission and just do it. Nobody is responsible for your success except yourself. So figure out your game plan and just grind it out. It definitely won't be easy. You will be stressed, overwhelmed, overworked, frustrated, and lonely along this journey because nothing good comes easy. And this brings us to strategy number 4, invest in relationships. You may have heard of the saying, your network is your net worth. The number one predictor of career success is the size and openness of your network. Expand your reach. Go beyond your immediate circle of friends and get comfortable forming relationships with them based on shared interests and goals. This will pay off in spades in the long run. Also, don't expect to build up a network for the moment when you need to make a lot of sales. No one wants to meet with someone who reeks of desperation. Instead, build up your network before you need it, because people will smell the fact that you're only reaching out to get something in return. Instead, be genuine by offering something of value and expect nothing in return. Keep in mind that each person and each relationship is different. You can always offer something of value even to a person that you don't know of yet. For example, you can refer potential buyers to your contact. This is giving them access to somebody that they can add value to them. And this is why LinkedIn is so popular and successful. Another great way to develop trusting relationship is by simply reaching out to everyone in your network regularly. Thank those people for what they did for you in the past, see how they're doing, and make sure they haven't forgotten about you. Building solid relationship remains at the core of a successful business. Go out and make those connections. So there you have it. Number 1, mindset. Number 2, invest in yourself. Number 3, create and build. Number 4, invest in relationships. You can do this. You've got this. I believe in you. Enjoy the journey to wealth. Enjoy spending time with the right people. You will add more value to yourself and others. Take action today. Don't have regrets when you're older and looking back, wishing that you had taken action when you were younger. And if you need inspiration to achieve greater things in life, 10x your goal. Check out this video here. So, what is the one thing that you will start working on today to becoming a millionaire? Leave it in the comments below. I love to hear from you. As always, thank you for watching. I appreciate you. Have a great day and a financially blossoming life. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.